In this video we are going to see Siemens PXM 30.T31 model HMI Touch Display Panel overview, technical datas and more. If you are watching our videos first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. This will help us to make more videos, and don't forget to click the bell icon button. You will never miss our latest videos. Welcome to Controls and Systems YouTube channel. Overview. High-quality touch panels for technical on-site operation of plants as well as room operation. Optimized for local on-site operation of the Desigo building automation and control system. PXM 30.E has an integrated web server and a BACnet/IP web interface to connect a HTML5 browser to a device on the network. PXM 31 is a web client for communicating with HTML 5.0 capable web servers, for example, PXG3.W101 or PXG3.W201. Generic operation and monitoring of plant functions, alarms, schedulers, calendars, set point changes, display of actual values, etc. Offline engineering of customized graphics with ABT site. Compact design featuring a low installation depth for mounting in panel doors. LED to display alarms on an inactive screen. Touch panels are highly flexible and scalable. Operation of various room environments by the end user. Examples: offices, conference rooms, or even entire floors. Remote access on very small projects is direct via the touch panel's integrated web interface. On large projects, a combination of various touch panel variants using HTML5 capable standard operator units, notebook, smartphone, tablet. Settings. Different settings are available, however, for user-friendly operation of the touch panel. They can be edited after login. Brightness, sets the screen's brightness. Time format is 24 hours or 12 hours, AM/PM. Date format is 8 variants are available. Touch panel operating language R supports 20 languages. The factory setting for the user interface is English. Keyboard. The interaction with the keyboard is roughly the same as commercially available products such as smartphone, tablets, etc. Auto logout. Time to logout is 5, 10, 15, 30, 45, 60 minutes. The automatic logout can be set at intervals of 5 to 60 minutes, including the ability to suppress automatic logout for certain technical reasons. Screensaver, on after 15 minutes, factory setting is on. Alarm LED, an LED in the top right-hand corner of the touch panel indicates pending alarms. Commissioning. Touch panels can be commissioned without tools. All necessary network parameters can be entered directly on the unit. No additional engineering required for operation using default views. Each device has a unique identification number to ensure efficient commissioning. It is also printed on the removable barcode label. Maintenance. Touch panels are maintenance-free. Dirt on the display can be cleaned using off-the-shelf display cleaners for smartphones, a moist rag, and/or off-the-shelf microfiber cloth for monitors or glasses. Firmware upgrade. Firmware upgrades are loaded with ABT site, at startup, user-initiated. Use either the Ethernet or USB interface. Repair. The devices cannot be repaired. The entire unit must be replaced. Material data. Dimensions: height 152.4 mm, width 208 mm, depth 54.8 mm, color, plastic frame, glass, reflecting. Weight without packing 1,117 grams, weight with packaging 1,745 grams, electrical data. Operating voltage is AC 24 volts plus minus 20%, SCLV, PELV, Class 2, or DC 24 volts plus minus 15% Class 2. Frequency is 50 or 60 Hz, maximum power consumption in AC 24 volt is maximum 29 VA. Maximum power consumption in DC 24 volt is maximum 17 watt. Screw terminals for wire cross sections up to 2.5 square millimeters. External supply line fusing, EU, at AC, DC 24 volt power is. Non-renewable fuse maximum 10 amps slow or. Circuit breaker maximum 13 amps stripping characteristic B, C, D × 60898 or, power supply with current limitation of maximum 10 amps. Display. Display size is 7-inch. Display resolution is 1024 × 600. Display type is TFT. Number of colors is 16.2 mn. Viewing angle HV is typically 120, 110 degree. Backlit display is LED dimmable. Touchpad is projective capacitive, landscape. Connections. Q-wire or Q-strand with wire end sleeve. Q-strand without wire end sleeve. Stripping length is 6 to 7.5 mm, 0.24 to 0.29 in. Slotted screws is screwdriver, size 1 with shaft O less than or equal to 4.5 mm, maximum tightening torque is 0.6 Nm, 0.44 pounds-foot, Ethernet interface. Plug is RJ45 screened. Interface type is 100 base DX, IEEE 802.3 compatible. Bitrate is 10/100th Mbps, auto sensing. Protocol is BACnet over UDP/IP. Galvanic isolation of system neutral is available. Interface USB 2.0. Plug is Type B, device. Data rate, USB 2.0 full speed, is 12-bit, S. Protective switch against surges and overcurrent is available. Galvanic isolation of system neutral is not available. Protection classification. Degree of pollution is 2. Overvoltage category is 3, design type, device suited for use with equipment of safety classes 1 and 2, degree of protection of housing to N60529. From the front is IP54. From the back, panel mounted, is IP20. Ambient condition. Transport, packaged for transport, as per N60721-32 is Class 2K3 temperature -25 to 70 degrees Celsius, -13 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, air humidity 5 to 90%, operation per N60721-33 wall mounted is Class 3K4 temperature 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, air humidity 5 to 90%, non-condensing. Operation per N60721-33 panel mounted is Class 3K5 temperature 0 to 50 degrees Celsius, 32 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, air humidity 5 to 90%, non-condensing. Maximum elevation above sea level is 3,000 meters above sea level. Standards, directives and approvals. EU conformity, CE. E compliance. RCM conformity. UL approbation, US. COL approbation, Canada. FCC. CSA certification. We hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching our videos. We will meet in another good video. Have a great day.